488. Kanina na yun. Tawag yun kanina. Tinapon na namin sa basurahan at kinakinom na namin. Di na tawag na 359 ka? Sure ka? Kasi may ano ulit chorizo. Mamimigay din tayo ng chorizo. Chorizo NY Cebu. Thank you so much for your gift. Ano? 386, ticket number 386. Please still check. Nabisaya na tuloy ko. Na-check na noon. Check your tickets, guys. Ticket 386. Are you the winner? Oh, hindi. Oh, sa live. Ayun. 488 kanina. Ayan, so our winner will be receiving a gift coming from it's actually a gift card coming from God's Strength Ministries. Ayan po. Thank you so much, God's Strength Ministries. You are gonna be receiving a $50 gift card. Ayan, mix. So yan po, God's Strength Ministries. Thank you so much for your generosity. Next up, we have 341. Ticket number 341. 341 po. Bakit wala akong ticket? 163. Ticket number 163. 163. Wala? Okay. 142. Ticket number 142. 142. Wala eh. 240. Ticket number 240. 240. 460. 460. Ticket number 460. Let's keep this one. Uy, natawag na to kanina. 313. 313. Uy, ikaw na naman. Parang may printer kaya tato ng ticket ah. Swerte ka. Pwede ba magpasaya sa'yo ng loto? DJ Lemon. DJ Raymond in the house. May isa pa daw siyang ticket. Uy, mag-ano ka ha? Maguhin mo yung buhay mo, okay? Ayan po ang ating mga dancers. Hindi po yan sila titigil hanggat hindi uulan. 403. I&I Power Dance. 403. Uy, dapat kayo mag-visit na prices. Ganun-ganun sila. Diba? 403. Ayan po, meron po kayong $25. Check nyo po kung expired po. 403. Wait lang. Okay, so ticket number 166. 166.
Ticket number 144. 144.
I'm so happy, arigatai na.
3, 2, 1, wala.
Star, I get money, I'm a star. Okane, kosegu, orera wa star.
Okane, kasegu, watashi wa star.
Star, kira, watashi wa star.
Hindi ko alam. Number 404. 404. Number 404.
number 222.
Hey! Hey!
222.
I think that was 168. Sa'yo yata yung 16222. 168. 168. Nakikita mo mukha pagkatapos hindi ko makita.
Ticket number
Hindi nga.
268.
Congratulations!
268. Ticket number 404. Makakatanggap kayo ng t-shirt from Rio Joe. Ticket number 162. 162. 162. Ticket number 141. Okay. T-shirt. T-shirt. Ticket number 091. Ticket 091. Ticket number 327. 327.
Ang saya dito sa Elvis Park barbecue. Pinoy Ontario Vendors Annual Barbecue Party 2024.
Ticket number 060. Mananalo kayo ng tambay hat. Ticket number 060.
Like you on your own plan.
Ticket number 063. 063. Next one, 335. 335. Ticket number 227. 101. Ala. 101.
Girl, you're whining low. Bounce and nothing for me. You're whining low. Turn around, let me see. You're whining low. Where you going with that? Come back, yeah. Come back, yeah. Come back. My girl, just back it up, 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 back it up. Run me up.
Ticket number 326. 326.
Ayan po, patuloy-tuloy lang ating mga raffles. So get your tickets ready. Ipapamigay na natin to lahat para wala nang sakit sa ulo. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, pwede na po din tayong maglaro ng color match with DJ Ryan. Proceed lang to DJ Ryan there anytime right now. Pwede na, while nagpaparaffle kami, pwede kayong maglaro doon.
Maninig, yes! Tama yan, DJ Dong.
Uy, naging DJ na.
Oo, siyempre naman.
Ayan na!
Ay! Ingat po kayo. Ingat po.
Flying house ng GMA.
Yan po. Okay, wait lang po. Wait. Guys, tulong na po yung mga matipunan natin mga lalaki dyan.
Sayang.
Tayo po natin ang pet.
Sayang, hindi ko nakuha. Viral sa...
Wait, baka mabali. Wait, yung pula. Wait lang po. Wait lang.
Nabali na.
Hindi na pwedeng itayo.
Natali ba yan?
Hindi na pwedeng itayo, sir.
Okay lang na tent ang lumipad kayo sa, banyo. Gusto niyo ba pasalunod?
Sabi mo, hindi na pwedeng itayo.
Pati ano?
Portalet ba yung sinasabi mo?
Portalet.
Higa na lang. Hindi na pwedeng itayo, higa na lang.
Okay.
Pag marami na nabali eh.
Ay, nabali siya.
Hindi na pwedeng itayo! Itumba na lang! Hindi na pwedeng itayo! Hindi na pwedeng itayo!
Baba muna, baba. J.
Parang insect na naka-black. Ano siya? Mix?
Hindi na pwedeng itayo. Baka
Ay, hindi po ito BOD. POV po ito.
Okay guys, pwede na po tayo bumili rito sa Pinoy Vibes World Booth. Meron tayo ditong game of color match. Itatapat na lang po yung color ng balon na gusto ninyo. Kapag nag-match po siya, meron po tayong gift. Mamimigay po tayo ng VIP ticket for OPM Rewind next year. 5 VIPs and 5 JAs. At itong mga gift pack na to is coming from Karen Reblanc, Living Benefit Specialist. And we have a lot of electronic, ayan, sige, pila na po tayo dito. Ayan, maraming salamat. Kapag hindi po kayo nakakuha, pwede po kayong bumalik, paikot hanggang maubos po ang ating mga prizes. Alright? Okay.
Ayan, tuloy-tuloy ang ating raffles, guys. Kinaayos lang po yung 10.
Alright.
Okay na yung tent ang lumipad kaysa portalet.
Okay. For example po, ito po, kuha ka ng balloon. Pili ka dito, itatapat mo lang, pag tama yung kulay na natapatan mo, na pareho, panalo ka. Alright, sige, go. Mali? So, iibig ka po. Alright, pero I'll give it 2 chances. Okay, 2 chances po. Okay, isa pa. Walang sisilip pa. Okay, game. Perfect. Nakuha mo. Okay, wait. Here we go. Congratulations. Okay. Ready po? Kayo po, tita? Okay. 2 chances para manalo. Hoy, paano mo nalaman yan? Diba? Hawakan niyo po, hawakan niyo po. Connect. Okay. Ha? Okay, manalo na po kayo, tita. So, isang beses lang mananalo. Okay, here we go. Okay. Alright, next patient please. Okay, hindi po. Mali po. Baba po yung logo. Ay, isa pa. Yeah, chances. Hindi po. Thank you so much. Balik po tayo doon. Mali po. Okay, isa pa. Mali po. Mali po. Okay, wait lang po ha. Wait lang natin. Okay, ready? Sige po. Mali po. One more. Mali po. Mali po tayo.
Yung mga may insider job dyan, ha?
Oo ha, yung mga mata nyo ha. Okay. Mali po. Ano harangin mo ngayon? One more chance. Can you check? Yes, you got it. Alright. Wait 1 second. Okay, we'll do alternate, okay? So this one is the one you want. The body massager for you, alright? Yeah, for Pinoy Vibes World naman yan, okay? Alright, go. Walang silipan ha. Alright, ano po? Okay. Yay, mali! Balik po tayo doon. Balik po. Okay, thank you. Okay. Ayan ha. Mali po, mali po. Ba't pala lang po sa baba? Pwede ka dito ulit. Tama! Tama! Ayan! Okay na. Okay. Ay, mananalo ka po ba? Akala ko. Dahil ako lang. Here you go. Congratulations po. Oh, wait. Okay. Matago ko lang yun ha. Katanggalin ko na yung mga napanalunan ha. Para i-clear natin ulit. Okay, go. Kaya mo yan. Mali po. Wait. Nagalaw kasi. Alright, go. Kaya mo yan. Oo na. Dami ka na patan. Ano yan? Mali. Balik. Ay, okay na ba? Sige. Sinapol mo nga, hindi ko pa naman tinudge. Ano, nagreklamo? Oo nga. Game, tambay to. Mali. Balik. Nice try. Oh, mali. Oh, isa na lang. Pili ng balloon. Mali. Sorry. Ikot. Oy. Mali po. Mali po, sorry po. Mali po. Sana lang po. Mali rin. Ayan na. Meron tol. Pero kung gusto mong patagtagan tol, walang problema. Mali po. Last one. Tama po yan. Ito mo ito. Okay. Tanggalin ko na. Okay. There you go. Okay. Pa-clear po. Okay kuya, go. Open niya akong pa-price po. Yes, you're right. Bye-bye. Yeah, you got it. Okay? Ikaw, bata ka pa naman, so bibigyan kita ng sleeping headphone. Here we go. Okay. Oh, mami, ikaw naman. Mali po, mami. Mali rin po, mami. Sorry po. Hindi, 2 pesos lang po. Okay. Ikutin ko lang ha, kasi baka may mga nagtatanda na eh. Ikutin ko lang po. Blah blah. And go. Mali po. Hoy, tama. Tumama ka. Okay na. Kanina. You need to pair kasi. Ay, hindi ka to eh. Ito na lang. Diretso lang to. Tone down. Yeah. Okay, tol. Okay, pop.
Alright, so while meron po tayong palaro dyan with DJ Ryan, mamimigay na po tayo ng mga certificates sa ating mga participating POV members and supporters and committees and officers. So may I ask you guys to please come up here dito sa ating... Hi guys, and also guys, good news, meron po tayong pa-snacks na fishball ulit. So kung hindi kayo nakatikim ng fishball kanina, pwede na po kayong pumila because they're already starting to fry. So can I have all the officers and the OICs to please come here, and the committee heads. And yes, as you can see with Miss Zarla, marami kaming mga premyo na ipapamigay pa. So marami pa po tayong mga raffles, so please keep your tickets. And meron din tayong games pa guys. Meron pa tayong dalawang yatang games, 3 games. Okay, so as I said, mamimigay po tayo ng mga certificates of appreciation and participation for their participation. So I have the officers here in the OIC committee, OICs and the committee heads. Also, I would like to invite everybody next week for the Beanie concert sa August 17. And Beanie is Tala Entertainment is one of our generous sponsors also. Also, we also have the Dumlao production, who is also giving tickets later on. So guys, ayan po, River Maya reunion on September 13. 2 tickets ipapamigay natin. And of course, I'd like to invite you guys to our very own production company, directed by DJ Ryan, and all the local artists here from Powerhouse Entertainment. Ayan po, October 9 and 26 sa Global Kingdom Ministries with Bebs. Ayan, sige, starting with 1 Triskelion Certificate of Appreciation. When may I have all the 1 Triskelion? 1 Triskelion, Tao Gama P. 1 Triskelion, please claim your certificate here. And for sure, we want to have a picture with you also. 1 Triskelion, so wala pa, okay, later. Get ready, 1 Triskelion, okay? For now, can I have Forever Moments? Forever Moments, please claim your certificate of appreciation here. Tapos ikaw na rin mag-picture sa amin. Si Boss Nick Padua. Ay, Triskelion muna. Okay, yeah. Triskelion. Nasaan si Boss Paulo and the OIC and the committee heads? Picturean muna natin. Ito na lang si committee heads. Ito. Doon daw tayo. Dito daw tayo. Sige na, ano nga natin. Depende sa bigay. Ayan po, so thank you so much, 1 Triskelion, for your participation. Asan ang ating Boss Paulo and the committees, OIC and the committee heads. Alright, can I have Freedom Business Fridge Revolution? Freedom Business, get ready. Forever Moments, dito ka rin. It's an ace, right? Pwede ba dalawa yan? Okay, can we have Bev Saraza? The Diva, Bev Saraza. Get your certificate here. CAD Pinoy Products, CAD Pinoy Products. Please come here. We would like to thank you for your participation. Canex Realty Team. Canex Realty Team. So basically, these are all the sponsors and the participating vendors. Casamamo Incorporated, please get ready, claim your certificate here. Ayan, so sunod-sunod lang ang picture ha, take your time, sunod-sunod lang. Basta, Chorizo di NY Cebu. Chorizo di NY Cebu, please come here. Emmanuel Supnet. Tama ba? First Love Yourself Movement. First Love Yourself Movement, claim your certificate here. Franco Medina. Calling Franco Medina. Ayan. Grace Cakes and Catering.
Gusto mo mag-shoutout?
Ate Grace. Ate Hanelin of Hanelin Events Management, claim your certificate. And please have a picture with our alright, Ate Hanelin. Also later on will be Maisog, Toronto, Ontario. Maisog. Huh? Mitch Marasigan. Miss Mitch Marasigan. Mag-BII. Mag-BII Canada. Nuts, Bits, and Pieces. Nuts, Bits, and Pieces. OTP Remit, salamat po sa inyong partisipasyon. Mag-B, Party On Productions. Boss Paolo, Party On. Sa kanya yan. Pinoy DJs of Toronto, DJ Brian, and the rest of the cool gangs there. Pinoy Vibes, I think Kuya Ryan is still playing a game there. Power Dreams Entertainment. Ayan, sa lahat mga nakakuha ng certificate, please take a picture. Power Dreams sa akin to. Power Dreams Entertainment. Ito, si Kuya Randy Bukaw, Magician Illusionist. Randy Bukaw, please claim your certificate here. RN Medical Aesthetics and Spa. RN Medical Aesthetics and Spa. RTJ Productions. RTJ Productions. Miss Shine Asuncion of Kain Kayo, maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. SMDC, maraming salamat. Pinoy DJ sila. SMDC, please claim your certificate here and your photo. Sydney Tolentino. Miss Sydney Tolentino, where are you? Tao Canada. Tao Canada. Meron po iyang gold stamp ha. Certificate po iyan. Ilagay nyo sa inyong mga ding-ding. Ito Sydney. Ay, Pinoy DJs daw. Di ba part ka niya? Marami kayo isa kaya. Sino yung DJ? Meron ka rin certificate. Toronto Tao, Canada, and Toronto Triskelion. Toronto Triskelion, Ontario. Tommy Fillers Catering, please claim your certificate here. Yams Al-Qaeda. Ziana Boutique. Ito po, Ziana Boutique. Grace Life Covenant Ministries, please claim your certificate here. Hat shirt. Eto Atienne and Irene, I&I Power Dance, claim your certificate here. In Touch Care, Physiotherapy and Rehab. Jerome Peralta, Kuya Jerome, please claim your certificate here. Yan, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta, guys. I&I, asan na yung I&I? Nandito sila kanina eh. Ayan, si Ate Joy wala na, umalis na yan. Ate Joy Tihada. Joy Tihada, wala na siya dito. RDDC. Ayan. So, Ronald and Cory Bicaldo. Thank you so much for being one of the sponsors and participants in the annual BOB Barbecue. Ayan. Ruma. RUMAH. CPAT. Please claim your certificate here. Smile Mobile Remittance. Smile Road Mobile. Tala Entertainment, claim your certificate here. Thai Connected. Ada Connected pala ka. THA Connected. Tricks Trading. Tropang Ilonggo, get ready. Claim your certificate here. W. Roy Inkstaff. Ayan, nandito na. Ayan. Roy Inkstaff, claim your certificate here. Zidans Marathon Production, wala na to sila. Umalis na sila po yung sa amin. CJ Medical Laser Clinic. CJ Medical Clinic, CJ Medical Laser Clinic, Magician Doc Duran, Kuya Doc, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Dream Light Sound System, Dream Lights and Sound System, si DJ Raymond, come here. Ito, kilala ko ito, ibigay nyo na. CPGBI Guardians, CPGBI Guardians, DHS Reborn, Ate Arceli, or Ate M, DHS Reborn. Ito, nandito lang sila eh. DJ Rocky Mix, DJ Rock, come here. Dignity Memorial. Do we have a representative from Dignity Memorial? Oh, DJ Franz Natividad. Get your certificate dito para ayan, DJ Rock. Nasaan ba yun? Dito. Ito rin kay DJ Franz. DJ Franz. Itong certificate na to may gold stamp. Pwede natin isangla. Okay?
Jesus Christ. Lagi din?
Dignity Memorial.
Puro meat.
Hangouts, Ate Faye. Claim your certificate here, Ate Faye. Dapat nag-table tayo dito. Baka hindi yan. Francis Ultimate Chismoso. Kung gusto nyo ng latest Marites, doon kayo kay Francis. Francis Ultimate Chismoso. Ay, binabasa ko lang ha. Pero kilala ko to. Uy, si Francis Ekla ba to? Uy, sorry po. Ako nga eh. Si Francis ko lang. Kung gusto nyo ng latest chika, doon pa siya nag-Francis. Ano talaga to sila? Nag-tawag dito, nagpa-prank-prank. AP Poblacio Ironworks. AP Poblacio Ironworks. Wala, mamaya. Intertrans Express padala. Marami ng magdala ng pera. Intertrans Express padala. Ate Faye and Javi, your certificate is over there. Jasmine Balino and family. Jasmine Balino, ito po, nandito po yung mga. Jasmine Balino and family, thank you so much for your support. ACC Events and Services. Ito taga Calgary yan. Ram Guardians Brotherhood. Ito pala yan. Oo, Guardian na naman. Kuya Josh Malondras. Guys, stay lang po kayo. Meron pa po tayong pa-games and meron tayong mga surprises later on and some raffles to give away. Kuya Josh Malondras of JNR Events. Claim your certificate here. Jump in Travel and Tours if you need some help with your future vacation. Jeff Tam of 2D Max General Solution. Ayun siya. Kay Madam Zarla. Ayan, 2D Max, Jeff Tam. Christine Nevado. Christine Nevado, where are you? Mr. Manila. Tess Villavisa, are you here? Mr. Manila? Wala pa. Lingkod Pamayanan. Lingkod Pamayanan. Camero Events and Rental. Andito siya. Ayan, of course. Huwag muna po kayong umuwi. Marami pa po tayong ipapamigay ng mga concert tickets and wala na po, hindi na po uulan. Okay lang yan. Cellmaster Sales Repair Install. City Sabi Realtor. Kristan and Jaisel. Ikip natin yan. Kakaraan. Nandiyan lang naman sila. Combo number 4. Combo number 4. Please claim your certificate here. Kuyapo Association of Canada. Kuyapo. C-U-Y-A-P-O. Kuyapo. Ito si Ian. DC Ian Photo Booth. Ian with a cute baby. O, saan na to siya? Nandito na ba siya? Umalis na daw. Ito DJ Brian. DJ Brian Renovation. Ito na. Andyan siya. Ito yan naman. And yes, please make sure that you also get a picture from our committees and DJ Mark with an H. DJ Mark. DJ Mark.
Yeah.
AAB Productions. AAB Productions. Kuya Alvin the Magician. Your certificate here.
Ayun, gusto mo makita yung sa kabila, hindi.
Bayan Relief. Ayan guys, nainitan po kayo, may free water po tayo sa booth na doon. Sa Sipa po. Lagon City. Thank you. Miss Michelle. Lagoon City Med Spa. Lagoon City Med Spa. Ay, ikaw pala to? Maharlika's Resto Bar. Maharlika's. Eto, nandito na si Aki Marian Reyes na mamimigay ng tickets of Pini later on. Marian Reyes with a cute puppies. O, nandito na yung ano mo, certificate mo atin nandito. Yan. Ang cute naman ng ano, dog. May dress. Ayan po, Modelo Clinic. Modelo, si Ate Chance. Wala dito. Eto na sa'yo, Ate Nina. Ayan, nandito daw si Ate Chance of Modelo Clinic. Maraming salamat. And of course, ang pinakamalakas natin here venue kung hindi dahil ka kanya. Of course, dito ba si ano?
Top to 7.
Of Paris tayo man, wala. Ay, Ate Chance, nandito siya. Modelo, I think I put it over here. Somewhere here. Ay, ito pala, sorry. Ayan. Pinoy Cleaners Canada, Karen, Ate Karen LeBlanc, as you are here, claim your certificates. Pinoy Hair Cutters, thank you so much for their participation. Eto, hindi ko siya kilala. Dom Sabanal, where are you? Ay, ako pala to. Dumlao Media. Dumlao Media of River Maya Concert soon too. Meron tayong pamimigay ng mga concert tickets later on. So please stay lang guys. Hindi na po uulan. Okay na po yung weather natin. Of course, Ate Cecilia of FNC Arts. And Darren. FNC Arts. Thank you so much. Dumlao. Jumping yan. Ito. Sa lahat ng gustong kunin yung certificates nila is over here with Miss A. And you can also input them. Tuloy-tuloy lang ating saya guys. Raffle naman tayo doon. Doon naman tayo sa kabila. And yes, bukas na ulit ang ating push bola. Make sure you grab your hat. Oh, what's up, man?
Uy, kapo yan.
What are you doing?
Vlogging. Ma-vlog.
Oh, okay, put us in your... Okay, thinking that, he likes that. Bilo-bilo. Want it?
Tama na, baka may...
Diabetic ka?
Di, baka may yung milk.
Ha?
Baka mag... Lactose.
Oh, lactose. Oh. Okay.
Baka hindi natin ba kaya.
Alam mo bakit?
Hello po.
Nasa YouTube ka?
Opa.
Sino yung ano mo? CDT.
MTV. Shoutout sa inyo. Hindi, baka... I mean, it looks good, but... Baka magpunan ako sa lactose eh. Baka mag...
Wala namang milk yan.
Ha? Meron daw eh.
Walang milk. Coconut.
Coconut?
It's coconut.
Why not? Okay, I'll try a little bit.
Walang milk? It's coconut?
I'll try a little bit.
Okay, try a little bit.
Ito ba yung sponsor niya? Canex Realty Team. Your neighborhood realtor. Give us a call. We would love to meet you. Buy, sell, and invest. We go closer, you can see the number.
They can go to canexrealty.com.
Okay.
Canexrealty.com. You'll be able to find our website.
Okay, thank you. Alam mo saan ako nag-park? Shoppers Drug Bar. Sa labas.
You know what? I could have told you. You go outside, you go straight. There's a residential there. You could have parked and walk on the way back.
No, the people they thought about that also. Mga street dito puno na eh. So I went to the Shoppers Drug Bar behind Shoppers Drug Bar.
That's good.
Then I took the bus. Last time I had a ticket of $100.
Oh yeah. If they give you a ticket here, $100 minimum. That's minimum. See? That's what happened. That's what happened if you have too much. Hey, you look that way. You look that way. Yeah, that's what happened if you have too much.
Too much what?
Too much love. Okay?
Ako eh, maraming ako, hindi ako magagat. Pero pag pupunta,
huwag mo akong galitin. Kasi, oh yeah, see?
kakalat si Scorpio. I'm missing that.
Go and get a podcast, man. Go and put your camera there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. May bayad ba?
Ito po.
Yan, may bahay na yan. Lahat asawa. Hindi lang isang asawa, 5 asawa yan, puro may bahay. Mali ito eh.
Yung ang dami naman. Card lang. Nakuha ko na yun eh.
Okay.
Nakuha ko na. Ay! Nasa TV ko na yan.
Ikaw mo doon para i-podcast.
Punta na ako doon. Thank you. Salamat.
Kung sino ka man talaga, Pinoy ako, Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ilagay na natin mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Basta magpakatotoo. Kapag pagmamahal ang hanap mo, ay nahalaga sa'yo. Nais mong pagkilala kung sino ka man talaga. Pinoy, ikaw ay Pinoy. Ipakita sa mundo kung ano kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ilagay na natin mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo.
Bago ako magsimula, gusto ko lang sabihin, bawal dito talangka. Let's go. One more time now. Ayos.
Ayan na po si Kuya Popoy! Suporta mo'y ibibigay. Sama-sama tayo sa sabay-sabay! One again! B.O.B. Kaya
Kuya Popoy, nagustuhan niyo po ba yung kanta ko? Nagustuhan niyo na po ba?
Opo, of course.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana po supportan niyo po ang Pinoy Value Vendors. At kami po, para susuporta sa ating mga kapwa-vendors. So maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kapwa-vendors at palakpakan po natin tayong lahat.
Ayan, once again, palakpakan po natin ang The Ageless Reborn Dance Group together with Kuya Popoy. Picturean muna natin sila. Budakan. Ayan po, at marami pa po tayong ipamimigay ng mga raffle prizes. So make sure you still have your tickets. And also we have some games to play. But before we start the game, who is in charge of the tug of war? Tug of war muna. Tug of war. Si Sir Benj. Sir Benj, get your stuff ready. Sir Benjo. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to remind you to please clean after yourselves. Let's respect the park, please. Make sure na walang, katulad nito, may nakita na ako dito. Oh, ikaw pala to. And also, our fishballan is still open, so grab yourself some snacks. Tug of war na tayo. Maglaro muna tayo. Ilang players? Grabe siya, nanalo na siya kanina, ha? Ano to? Ay, ito ba yun? Tug of war? Ay, sorry. Kala ko tissue. Okay, so maglalaro muna tayo ng tug of war, especially the kids. And before that, I would like to thank one of our sponsors, Auntie Marian Reyes. Where are you, Auntie Marian? Nakita kanina. Auntie Marian? Andito po ba kayo, Auntie Marian? Siya po ang sponsor ng ating Balik Eskwela. So kung gusto niyo pong mag-aral ulit, si Auntie Marian can help you with that. Oy, ayan, meron din tayong mga libreng payong from RLC. Robinson's Land, right? Group. Okay, so ayan po, RLC Group. Mamimigay din sila. So ito po, si Auntie Marian Reyes and Tala Entertainment is giving away 2 Bini tickets. So ganito na lang, magpa-challenge na lang tayo. While the kids are still preparing for a, what do you call this? For this game of tug of war, I need 2 people who is confident enough to do a dance-off of Bini songs. 2 people, come here. Ipapamigay natin itong 2 tickets. Ito, contestant number 1. O, ikaw. 2 tickets of Bini. Floor ito.
Okay.
Pwede ka? Okay, pwede ka. Sige, go. Sige. Ayan, courtesy of Tala Entertainment and Auntie Marian Reyes. I need 2 people who will do a dance-off of a Tala Bini songs. Bini songs. Dapat tama yung lyrics. Chorus lang, pero dapat tama yung yung dance steps. Kaya nyo? Kayo ba dalawa? Oy, of course, si Alana also will be joining. O sige, team na lang kayo. Oo, sige, na lang. Wala, dalawa lang to eh. Sige, na lang kayo. Kasi meron namang crowd to judge kung sino mananalo. Team na lang kayo, okay lang? So team kayo, team sila. Or kayong dalawa. O kayo na lang dalawa. O kaya nyo, 3 players, kaya gusto mo sumali, Beb? Palakpakan lang naman to eh. Ha? Okay, sige. So they're competing. And then also the other one, by 2. Why not may group na lang kayo? Group yourself into 2, tapos kung sige. Ito. So we have 2 challengers for the Tala Entertainment Bini tickets next week. So, DJ France, sinong kalaban mo? Oh, grabe. Sayo lang. Okay, so we have 4 contestants here. So first challenger would be you and you. By challenge. Dalawa. Kasi 2 ticket to eh. Sige, habang yung mga bata, naglalaro ng tug of war. Sige na. Pantropico Challenge, yes, yes. Dapat alam nyo yung lyric, yung dance. O sige na, bilis na. Ready na kayo? Nagmamadali na. Ready na kayo? So, si Alana, and what's your name? Divine and Bebs and Daniela. Hindi niya alam pangalan niyo, Daniela? Check your birth certificate, please.
Driver license.
Daniela and Bebs. So ready na, guys. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga contestant. Sila muna, okay? Hindi, sila muna. Tapos kayo next. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have Divine and Alana to dance in the song of Pini. DJ Franz, ready when you are. Come on, everybody. Come on. Hello. Wow! Parang magaling sila. Baka naman Ate Marian, pwede mo naglagay ng dalawa. Para manalo. Apat na lang daw! O sige, huwag mo lang surprise, ha? Sarap na ba? Teka na. Ay, okay. So, wala, bakit mo sinabi? Sige, so you guys both want tickets, okay? Alright. At dahil panalo na rin kayo, gusto pa rin namin kayo makitang sumayaw. Daniela and Bebs, come up here! So thank you so much, Ate Marian. Auntie Marian. Ito pa.
Whoever wants to buy
Grab it while it's still there, guys, kasi malapit na. Alam mo naman mga Pilipino, mga last minute kumuha ng ticket. So can I have Daniela and Bebs to give us their best Tala at the best Bini dance number? Come on, everybody. Ay, panalo na kayo. Galingan nyo pa rin, ha?
Apo po.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Bebs and Daniela, DJ, play the music. Ticket kayo, each one of you will get a ticket from Tala, okay? So please. Binigay niya na daw kay Ate Hanilen. Ate Hanilen, where's the other 2 tickets? I-collect natin doon, okay? And by the way pala, we'd like to... ito, Mizarna, yung 2 tickets. Kasi yung banner lang yung binigay mo sa akin. Apat na doon? Saan doon? Ilang ticket yan, 4? Baka na lang, 2 lang. Wala akong natanggap na envelope. Ano lang, yung baka nandito. Wala na ba dyan? Ayan po, thank you so much Tala Entertainment and Auntie Marian Reyes. Tuloy lang po tayo. Ayan, marami pa po tayong tickets na ipapahigay. Meron tayong 2 tickets for River Maya concert on September. And also we're giving away a ticket for the Strings concert with Joey G, Ai Sigera, and Noel Cabangon on October 6 or 5. 6 then or 5, basta. And then we're also giving away 8 tickets to the Bugoy concert. Yes, And OPM Rewind. And also, ang dami. Wow, grabe guys. Pinapamigay ng mga tickets. Meron din tayong OPM Rewind. VIP tickets, 5 VIP Rewind tickets for next year. Ayan. So, alright. So, I think maglaro na tayo ng longest line. Since marami naman tayo dito, can I have, kaya ba ng 5 people, 5 groups, 25 people. So 5 groups each, times 5. Ito na, meron pa po tayong mga papremyo na ipapamigay. So don't worry, join lang po tayo sa ating palaro. Ladies and gentlemen, longest line. Asa na yung mga INI Power Dance? Di ba gusto yung sumali? Sige. Group of 5. 5 members for 5. Ito. So guys, go group yourselves into 5. Longest line po ito. Sa mga naka-jacket dyan. Magandang sumali kayo dito. Sige, mag-raffle muna tayo guys. So, while we're still collecting, we're preparing for the next game, please get your tickets ready. Okay, bunutan na guys. Hala, ang ganda nito oh. Wala akong ticket, dapat may entry ako dyan. Exempted. 113. 113, ticket number 113. Kanina pa to ah. Wala to, kanina pa yan.
There you go.
Alright. Ticket 197. 197. Everybody, please check your tickets. 197. Wala. Ang dami pa dito mga prizes, guys. 322. 322. 197. Okay. So, pili ka dito. Anong gusto mo? Oh, di ba? Pinapatili. Ito, man to eh, nakalagay. Kunin mo na lang yun. Number yan. Maglagay ka ng kape dyan or ano. Next up, we have 281. Ticket number 281. 281. 456. Ticket number 456. 456. 500. 500. Dapat mong i-clear yan, no? Ito, 001 ulit, oh. Ticket number 001. And ticket number 006. Ano pong ticket number nyo? 423, wala pa po. 310, ticket number 310. 310. And 112, ticket number 112. Where are you, ticket number 112? 178, ticket number 178. Ano po number? 1456, nandito yan kanina. Number po yan. 411, ticket number 411. 411. Oh, sige. Meron daw yan. Baka manalo daw siya. Check niya. 082, 082. 187. 187. 382, 382. Ticket number 382. 214, 214. 048. 048. 298. Ano pong ticket number nito? 432. Hello? Yes po, 4322 eh, 432. 432? Yeah. Hey. Alright, once again we would like to thank our generous sponsors for donating all these prizes that we are giving away. And yes guys, once again I'd like to invite you guys for the concerts, following concerts. Here in Toronto next week we have Beanie. And then at September we have River Maya Reunion by Dumlao Media. Also, we have some in October. October 5, we have the Strings concert with Icy Guerra, Noel Cabangon, and Joey G.
Kumusta?
Ito na ang pinakamalaking premyo. Hindi pala.
Okay lang.
Minodus ko yata ito eh. Alright, so the lucky winner is 065. You win yourself a drone. Drone, wala. By DJ Jeff Tan.
Drone, I love that.
Drone po siya. Pero 5 feet yung lumilipat niya. 3 feet lang pala. 422. 422. Check your ticket number. 320. 320. 383 guys, 383. Ayan, 255. Sabi ko nga eh, pakikip nito eh, ano ba ito kung saan ako sa premiere? Okay guys, kasi lahat ng mga ticket yata, tinapon niya na yata eh, ano ba yan? Bakit walang nananalo? Hoy, maglalaro tayo ng longest line ha, group of 5. Ready na ba, group of 5, longest line? Okay, ayan ha, meron na. Sige, mag-group of 5 na rin kayo. O sige, dalawang grupo na lang tayo. Dalawang grupo. The third group, so 3 groups. Kasi 1 group sila eh. So are you 5? And also we would like to announce that you can have the chance to win $150. Woo! Lahat ng gustong manalo, please i-share nyo yung gala night natin this coming December. Gala night poster. It is already out, right? It is already out in Pinoy Ontario Vendors page. Okay? I-share nyo na guys. Mamimili tayo ng winner dyan. Also, we are giving away some tickets. Ayan po, as I've mentioned, meron po tayong October 5, the Strings concert. October 19, Queen to Queen concert with Gaia and II. And of course, yours truly on October 26 with me and Bebs and Bugoy and the rest of the local talents with DJ Ryan as our director. On October 26, mamimigay kami ng tickets 8. Yan po, and later on, mamimigay din kami ng tickets next year for the OPM Rewind VIPs, 5 tickets. O, ayan na, ready na ba tayo? So guys, you can see the poster in Pinoy Ontario Vendors page. Make sure you share that one right now because we will be announcing the winner and you have the chance to win 150 cash. The more you share, the more chances of winning. Alright? Ayan po, and hopefully you also support, ha? 150 lang naman yan, ha? Care of Intertrans Express Padala. So kung gusto nyo po magpadala ng pera kay By Shine. Ayan po. And also, we would like to thank all our sponsors. So ready na ba tayo? Mayroon na ba tayong 5 grupo? Ito, 5 people, okay? Ayun, may dala na siyang clap sa jacket, oh. 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dapat suot daw, dapat suot. Ano lang tayo dito, family friendly po ito, walang hubaran ng ano, Okay. Ito 5 din? Okay. So I think we have to go to a clearer portion of the park, okay? Doon tayo, 5 din po kayo. Okay, 5 na sila. So guys, atras tayo doon. Ate, atras tayo doon. Okay, come here guys. Okay, so group 1, I&I Power Dance. Dito kayo. Pag ganun tayo ha, pag ganun, okay? Pag ganun, okay. So pag ganun tayo doon, okay? Pag ganun, lengthwise. Lengthwise, alright? So I&I Power Dance here. And then the next group is Ziana Boutique. Tapos our third group is mix kayo. Mix breed. Opo, pwedeng isuot nyo yan, yes. Ha? Oh yeah, yes. Isuot nyo yan. Ito yung fourth group. Face Boutique. Face Boutique and MC. Anong meaning yun? Millennial Gen Z. Oh, ay, si Vita, millennial din, oh. Sige, ready na kayo 5 na na. Yeah, right. How are you na?
Oh no, I just tried that one. She's still eating her. I think spring.
And yes, reminder po guys, God's Strength Ministries are giving away free vegetables and fruits. Oh, chips na lang daw yung natitira. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you to Doris and Chito Colantes. Dave Greaves also. Pastor Dave Greaves. Maraming salamat for your donations. Alright, ready na kayo guys? Move kayo doon. Atras kayo doon. Atras po kayo doon. Because you only have, will give them at least 2 minutes. 2 minutes? 1 minute lang. 1 minute lang daw. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, ha? Okay. Make sure 5 kayo. Okay. O, dito kayo humarap, ha? Okay. So, may I ask 5 POV committees and volunteers to help us? O, yung mga dala nyo, huwag nyo kunin sa bag nyo, dapat nakasuot, ha? Yeah, dapat nakasuot daw. Nakasuot. Alright, so, are you guys ready? So, can I ask the volunteers to help us determine who will be the winner here? Mga POV committees? Kaya game ba to? Longest line. Sa akin ba? Ikaw yata. Alright, once again, I would like to invite my POV family to please help us determine the winners here. Kailangan po natin malaman kung sino ang mananalo sa longest line game na ito. Ayan, group by 5 yan sila. Ayan si Kuya Ryan. Ay, dapat fair lang daw guys. Okay? So ready na ba? Okay, so we have 5 groups. Oo nga, dapat ano lang daw. Dapat something that you have in your clothes. Okay? So, okay?
Okay.
Kasama ko yung payong daw. Kuya Ryan, walang kasama ang payong, okay? No kasama ang payong. Bag you can bring, yeah. As long as it's your bag. Lima na ba kayo? O, ready na si Tita dito. O, Gen Z to siya, ha? Gen Z. And guys, reminders na po, please clean after yourselves. Let's respect the park. Lapit kayo dito. Saan na yun eh? Basta coordinate kayo, okay? Let's all coordinate. Ready na? Are you guys ready? Kuya Ryan, timer. Kailangan namin ng ano dun, ha? Mga police to check kung sino pinakamahaba. Kasi may time limit tayo. 2 minutes. And everybody, are you ready? Alright. Your timer. Pantay daw, pantay. Dapat pantay. Kuya Ryan, do the countdown. 20 seconds. I-ready nyo na, pag-isipan nyo na yung strategy nyo, ha. Kayo na bahala po. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start! Ayan, longest line. Your timer starts now. Please play some upbeat song, Vijay. Dapat magkadikit, dapat hindi malayo. By the way, we would like to thank our players tonight because all this stuff that I'm seeing will be donated to Value Village and Goodwill. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga damit at sa ayan po. We are only playing this game but we're actually asking for your donations that we will be donating to Value Village and Goodwill and ano pa ang mga piso. Ano, may hubaran dun, no? Body confidence lang naman sila. Body positivity. Hoy, dapat walang gap, ha? Hoy, 2 minutes na ba? Wala pa? Okay. 30 seconds na lang, guys. 30, 29, 28, 26, 27, 28. Baliktad na 25, 24, 15 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Raise your hands up. O, sinong nanalo? Uy, huwag kayong humiga dyan. May makatain ng aso dyan. Ang daming aso. Joke lang. Bahala kayo dyan. Uy, mga boys, asan yung bra nyo? Sino nanalo? Grabe ang competitive ng mga dancers. We have a winner already. Congratulations. And yes, asan na yung mga volunteers? Pakikuha na po ng mga damit nila. I-donate na doon natin sa Value Village and sa Goodwill. And sa Salvation Army po, nandito po yung staff ng Salvation Army. Congratulations, INI Power Dancers! Grabe. Saan po? Yung pinakauna? Oh, sige, merong consolation ang second prize. Oh, sino po yung ano? Sino po yung committee? Meron po kayong complaint dito from me. Ayan po, so sino second winner? Hindi natin ang promise din. Masayas kaya? Okay, Kuya Ryan. May gaps daw kayo. Basing on our NBI investigation, we have some nanalo po ang INI Power Dance kasi mas bago yung magamit sila, so mas magagamit pa sa donation. Opo, tapos yung INI Power Dancers, ginamit sila ang kanilang mga laman loob. Pati yung ito. Ayan, maraming salamat po to all the participating contestants for that game. Okay, so you claim your prizes here. O saan ko kunin yung prizes nila?
if you share our poster for our upcoming POE para night this December, guys, share nyo yung poster yan sa ating grupo. Okay, sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nanalo, may chance kayong manalo ngayon. We are also this game.